Hi friends, let's start our learning on Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft to visualize the data, to create the reports and to share the insights across an organization. Take an example like a company has to collect the customer's data and it should analyze the data whether the company is progressing or not in the form of reports and to take some decisions based upon that to increase its revenue. For that purpose, where the Power BI is used from collecting the data to generate the reports and to share it across the organization, this tool is useful. Let's move on to see why we have to use Power BI. Mainly, it contains this many features. To mention few, I have mentioned here there are many more features, but main important features are these. Mainly, it has a great feature in data connectivity, like it can collect the data resources from multiple resources. Like it could pick from databases like SQL Server, PostgreSQL, and many more, from cloud services like Azure, Google Analytics, Salesforce, etc. And also from Excel, JSON formats, APIs, big data platforms. So it has many ways of collecting the data from different resources. And data transformation is one of the feature where it cleans, shapes and transform the data. Like it will remove the duplicates like and the null values, errors, where we can clean our data before we apply any statistics or ML algorithms to analyze the data further. So before that, we will gonna clean the data. For that purpose, we have a wonderful option tool, the data transformation, in this Power BI package. Power Query terminal is used. And then data modeling. Data modeling is where it establishes mainly the relationships between the tables. Take an example like e-commerce, where it will have an orders tables, customers tables, shipments tables. And like if you want to establish relationship like one to many, one customer one-to-many relationships between customers and orders, like customers and orders, one customer can place multiple orders, whereas one-to-one relationship between orders and shipments table, each order has only one shipment. Those kinds of relationships can be built using this data modeling tool. And Power BI Gateway is used for real-time updates from the databases. Like sometimes data will be updated every day or for 1 week, 2 weeks. So that for that cases where we have to fetch the data latest ones, we use this Power BI Gateway option. And then with AI and advanced analytics tools, we can implement then advanced techniques like machine algorithms and NLP processing for for AI powered insights for detecting the trends and patterns. So these options will be present in AI and advanced analytics. Interactive data visualization tool. With help of this, we can use many charts, pie charts, maps to create an interactive dashboards and reports. And Power BI service. For this option is used to publish the reports via the Power BI Service Cloud, to share the reports mainly. For that purpose, we use this option. And for security and access control, we can limit our access to the specific users. We have this option. And then Power BI Mobile and Embedded Analytics, we can this Power BI Mobile and Embedded Analytics. With this, we can view our reports via the mobile, and we can embed our reports in custom apps or websites using this Power BI Embed tool. These are the key features of Power BI. The reasons for why we use Power BI. And now let's move on to what are the Power BI components. We have this many Power BI components. Firstly, Power BI desktop, which is mainly used for report creation and data modeling. Power BI services is for the cloud-based sharing, where we share the reports. Power BI mobile is for to look our reports in phone. This Power Query is for like a power cleaning and transformation. And Power Pivot is for data modeling we use. And Power BI Gateway is for connects the Power BI to on-premises data. And Power BI embedded it's to like to integrate our reports into the customs applications. And Power BI report server for report hosting. We use this. So altogether we can divide these components into three phases: Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and Power BI mobile app, where we pick the data, we do the analysis, and we may apply some of the advanced AI techniques, and then we will publish our report to the required websites or into custom applications. And then we could also see our reports in a phone or in mobile or phone. So these are the Power BI components. And now let's move on to the working flow of Power BI. This is the working flow. Firstly, the steps are connect to like importing data from multiple resources, and then transfer, like clean and reshape the data, then model it, create some relationships between the calculations, then we will gonna visualize it, build some reports and dashboards, then public and share some insights, access anywhere via the phone or embedded in apps, the automate and advanced analytics and automation. The tools used for this process are for collecting the data. We use SQL, APIs, cloud services. For clean and reshape data, Power Query. For to create a relationships between calculations, data model. To build reports, we use charts options, maps options. To share some insights, Power BI service. View on mobile and embedded in apps like Power BI mobile embed. This is the flow of a working flow of Power BI. That's all for today. Today we have seen what's a Power BI. In this video we have seen what's Power BI, why we have to use Power BI, what are the Power BI components, and working flow of Power BI. Thanks for watching the video.